Welcome to Floorex. So often you can end up at a concrete grinding job and find you've got concrete which is very hard to grind. The tooling you've got doesn't seem to want to bite into the surface and open it up. So Floorex has sourced Slurry Safe. Slurry Safe AR is a synthetic acid that can be applied to a surface. It will free the surface up and allow you to grind it. In most cases, you'll find that the whole job becomes so much easier. Floorex recommends that you keep these in your van at all times so that when you come to that next job, you've got it there. It's available in 1 litre and 5 litre containers. It's a product which can be used also for cleaning up grinders and also for concreters. Power trowels and concreters tools, get them nice and clean. Just simply spray it on, leave it for a few minutes and then wash it off. So it makes life very much easier. Have a great day and go Slurry Safe.